Alright, YouTube 116 Falconer. Today we're going to do a Bondo repair of this outside, this little deck railing. The deck's been here like 25 years or longer, so it's held up pretty good. But this top part is rotted out, so we're going to take a little Bondo, fill it in, sand it down, stain it, bam, it's going to be good for the summer. This isn't going to be a permanent repair because next summer this little deck's going to be made a little bigger. Right now it's like a 4x8 sitting area. Next year it's going to be increased in size, so this will be out of here. But now if you do this on interior work, this is like a permanent fix, and you can use Bondo even if you're going to stain the wood. You can Bondo imperfections, and the cream hardeners, there's a multitude of colors they come in, so you can try to match stuff pretty close just by the cream hardeners, and then a little creative permanent marker use and this and that. You can usually blend stuff right in so that you can just stain over your oak or whatever, and it'll be barely noticeable in repair. Now if you're going to be painting something, you can use whatever color cream hardener comes with. Now this can of Bondo came with red cream hardener, which is going to be perfect. It'll blend in no problem, because the other thing is the stain on here is more like a paint, not a stain. So let's mix a little of this up. I mean, it's back when I used to do a lot of finish work, interior finish work. I mean, I used to use Bondo on everything, man, and it comes out nice, real nice. So my freaking putty knife covered with tar. Oh well. Like I say, this is just a get through the summer repair, not a permanent repair. Oh, I love the smell of Bondo. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, so you get yourself some Bondo out there. You get it out there about like that. Run your hardener. That's about all you need, is a stripe across it, or a strip across it, whatever. Get her mixed up here. I think I can't remember the hardeners. They come in like blue. I think there's brown, yellow. And they do that like for body shops, so that you can change colors for every layer. So when you're sanding stuff, you can see, as you feather through, you're able to see what layer you're on. Now it does harden up pretty quick too, so. Alright, so we got that. Let me move this. Let's get her. This is a pretty big rot spot. That's all right. We'll get her. Do, 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 do. All right. So I'll definitely have to mix up a little more, but that's all right. There's a couple spots down here if it's not too hard. Get in. Alright, we'll let that set up. Hit it with a little 120 paper and put one more coat on there. Then we'll throw some stain on and bam, it'll be done. Good for the summer. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, so it's been about a half hour. I'm going to knock this first coat down, throw one more little light coat on there and stain it, be done with it. Okay, so we only really got to put a little bit here to here, and then that'll be good. So let me mix up a little bit, just a second here. Alright, so for this second go around we don't need much. Let me get her out of the can here.
I'd say this is going to be more than enough. Good to go. Now, I'm sure there's going to be somebody that's going to tell me exactly what I'm doing wrong, that I've caused some sort of a tear in the space-time continuum. But whatever. This is how I do it. Don't be hating on me. And that is going to be good right there.
We'll let it harden up. We'll come back, do a little sanding on it, stain it, bam, done. Be back. Okay, so I got the second coat sanded. I'm going to use this Bear deck, fence, and siding wood stain solid color on here with a disposable foam brush. Bam. Look at that. That'll get them through the summer. It's like it wasn't even there. So, that's all you got to do, man. Simple as schnot. All right, see ya, bitches.